Have you ever had someone in your life that is not necessarily your biological father, but fulfills all the responsibility of fatherhood to you? This week, we have been celebrating our father, the Reverend Michael O. Olufemi, for his love and his support towards us, his children. And this is how it went.
You're pregnant. And not only are you pregnant, it comes with some complications.
And I'm here with...
Right away.
All right, sir. Thank you for coming, sir. So can you just tell us the improvements that you've seen in the past few years and all?
The last time I came, actually, spiritually, let me do spiritually first. There are more that are more spiritual these days that I saw. And the improvement of the coordination, I really give a thumbs up with that. God bless you, ma.
Can you tell us your name?
My name is Vitri.
All right, sir. Thank you so much for coming, sir. And so, sir, can you tell us your experience? How has your experience been so far?
When I came, I saw people that were very receptive to teachings, to the anointing. I saw humble people in this place. I would like to say.
Thank you.
Pastor Samuel Yorubare by name.
All right, thank you so much, sir, for coming. Sir, can you talk about the theme, "The Banner Over Me is Love"?
The banner over me is love is just an expression of God's love to us by sending His Son Jesus Christ to die for us and make us rapturable when it is time. It's all about the goodness, the mercies, and the love of God.
Thank you so much, sir.